Hey, sweet friends, Miss Hendry here. All right, so we're going to review or learn the number one. Okay, the number one. So here is a little poem that we're going to use to help us to not only write the number one, but also remember what the number one looks like. All right, it says, "Start at the top and down you run. That's the way you make a one." Ready? Start at the top and down you run. That's the way you make a one. Good. So let's look at this next slide. I'm going to pull this down here out of your way. All right. Start at the top and down you run. That's the way you make a one. And then I want you to look at this picture right here. This is the picture of somebody holding up their finger for the number one. Can you hold up your finger for the number one? Look at Miss Hendry's hand. Look, make a fist and then boop. One. That's right. Tap your head one time. Touch your nose one time. Wiggle your ear one time. Good. Blink your eyes one time. Woo, good job. Shake your head no one time. Good job. All right, now let's look right here. This is a tens frame. So this is what it would look like. If all of these were filled up, there would be 10 dots. So let's look right here. For the number one, there's only going to be one dot. And then here is a picture of one block. And here is a picture of a dice or a dice that has one dot. This is the number one. Good job, guys.